Okay, this is a system of computer exercise. For example, exercise 1, LDU decomposition. You want to calculate L, D, and U. And as we mentioned in the class, we can use calculators to do so. Just enter this matrix, and when you enter that, you see that this is a draggable. There are red node and there are blue node. For red node, it's for drag the matrix, right? And this determines the size, and you can at most enter a 9 by 9 matrix. So in our case, we need a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. For each entry, how you enter entry, you can click each time you click it, it adds by 1. Or you can drag it. As you can see, if you drag it, you move the cursor left to the right, it changes to the number. Or if you want to enter a pretty large number, you just drag and let it go, like somehow like this, and then you have a pretty large number going on. Okay, yeah. So enter this number. The first column is 112, okay. The second row 136. Last row 2, 4, 10. 2, 4, 10. Okay. Okay. This blue node is used to drag the matrix out. So if you drag from here, completely the same matrix will come out. But this blue matrix is not editable. As you can see, this green matrix is editable. You can change the number anytime, but this blue matrix is somehow fixed. And whenever you drag a non-zero entry, it will start doing cross filling, okay? But for safety reasons, you do cross filling, you have to drag the cross out of the area of this matrix, right? So if you drag not too far away, it will come back. So, and there is a border coming up to indicate whether you drag out of the area. Okay, drag it out, and it will become like this. This 0 appear here because you drag out a cross, and this red area is what you want to fill. Okay, so to fill it into a rank 1 matrix, you have a formula for doing so. For example, if you want to fill the entry over here, the formula is, okay, look at the row and look at column, 1 times 2 divided by 1. Okay, so this entry has to have to be 2. So you see this entry is 6, and whenever it is 2, it has been subtracted from here. Okay, so 6 becomes 4 plus 2. Okay, and then you fill all this entry. It is automatic filling because the computer computed for you. You don't have to compute by yourself. Okay, so this is a filled matrix. You can see it has a cross marked over here and something over here. And then you can fill other entries. So you have to, previously you choose the first entry, right? Now I choose this entry. Just note that whenever you drag a 0 entry, it will not do any cross-filling because cross-filling only works for the non-zero entries, right? So you can drag any cross like non-zero entries. But in order for LU decomposition, we have to follow the order. So we drag the second cross, and then we come here and fill all of that. Okay, and it's just left with these 2, and okay, I just put it one by one, and I drag this seed. Okay, of course it's going to be the same matrix. Now you kind of decompose this whole matrix into the sum of the 3 one, and to get LU decomposition, you just remember what you do is this column, this column, this column, right? Don't forget to scale by the center of this. So yeah, so you just, to enter the answer, you just enter it. Okay, how to add a matrix here? So you need to enter matrix LDU, so you need to enter 3 matrix, and each matrix is 3 by 3. If you press this button, okay, nothing will show up, but you can just move your cursor, right? And wherever your cursor is determines how the size of matrix. So move your cursor so that there is some indicator that you will enter a 3x3 matrix, and then click it. And then you will have a chance to enter this matrix. If you want to delete this matrix, just click delete me. Okay, and yeah, you are going to add 3x3 matrix, and there are some things say that you cannot enter 3 matrix. So you do so, and it says okay. It's always some a reminder of whether your answer is good or not. So and let me just enter. Okay, so 112. Okay, we choose these 3 columns: 112, 011, 001. Okay, that's the first L matrix. And for U matrix, I enter rows 112, 012 because I have to divide the center, 001. Okay, and for the, yeah, it will have feedback whether your decomposition is correct. I haven't entered the diagonal matrix yet, so after I enter my diagonal matrix, it should be correct. So diagonal entry is 1, 2, and 2, right? 1, 2, 2. So just enter 1, 2, 2 here. Okay. Yeah, and it says my answer is correct. So this is how to do exercise. And actually, yeah. So let's see if you enter an incorrect answer. I change this entry to 1, right? And the following code can actually tell you why this is incorrect, because it can calculate for you. Okay, like if this is your LDU, then it calculates LDU is that matrix, not that matrix. So it will explain to you why your answer is incorrect somehow. So this is some feedback. You can always, yeah, do this exercise to make sure that you understand everything in the class. Okay.